With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is which of the following compound has only two isomeric monochloro derivatives? What are monochloro derivatives? Suppose we have an alkane and chlorine is added to that alkane group and X is removed and this chlorine gets substituted here. Let it be alkane and this hydrogen is removed and chlorine is substituted there. That is considered to be a monochloro derivative. That means when one chlorine is added, that is considered to be monochloro derivative. So out of these options, first option given to us is pentane 2,4,2,4 dimethyl pentane. So when we see the structure, here we have three types of carbon. These two carbons are same, these two carbons are same, and here also these carbons are same. Let it consider to be A, B, and this is to be C. So here if we add chlorine and these are A, these all are same. When we add chlorine here, then more than two isomeric form can be formed because here three types of carbons are there. That's why suppose if we substitute chlorine on first, then this result is formed. If we substitute chlorine on the second carbon, then this chloro derivative is formed. If we substitute chlorine on the third carbon, then this type of derivative is formed. That means here more than two monochloro derivatives are possible. That means this is not the answer. Next, moving on to the structure number second, which is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Propane means three carbons are there, and here this is hydrogen. So when we see this structure, here we have two type of carbons there. This is the first type of carbon and this is the second type of carbon. So when we substitute these carbons with hydrogen, when this hydrogen is removed, then the result form is this type. And when hydrogen from these carbons removed, maybe it this carbon, or this carbon, then the result form is CH2Cl, CH3, CH3, Cl. So when we find out the R or S nomenclature here, then same nomenclature is formed. That means if we substitute chlorine on this carbon or this carbon or this carbon, the result will be same. That means overall we have two monochloro derivatives only, because there are two type of carbons are there, because this is the tertiary carbon and this is the primary carbon. And here in this case, this is the primary carbon, this carbon was secondary tertiary carbon, it is attached to three carbons, and this carbon was secondary carbon. Okay, so next moving on to, so this is our answer, but let's see the another structures as well. Next is ethane. Structure of ethane is CH3CH3. Both of these carbons are same, so when substitution takes place, monochlorination takes place, this type of structure is formed. Only one isomer is possible here. So this is not the answer. Next one is benzene. In case of benzene, we have 6 carbon where 6 hydrogens are attached to it, and all these carbons are same, which are sp2 hybridized. So when monochlorination takes place, same type of monochloro derivatives are formed, so only one isomeric form is present. Let me show you this isomeric form. Suppose we have a benzene ring. This is the benzene ring, and on monochlorination this type of structure is formed. B, this chlorine substitute on this position, this position, this position, this position, this position, or this position, doesn't matter. Only one type of isomer is possible here. Okay, So this is also not the answer. The only answer left over is option number second. So I hope you understand how to find out the isomeric form of the monochloro derivative. We just have to find out how many types of carbons are there, primary, secondary, tertiary, and number of types of carbon is equals to isomers. The only thing we have to take care about the chiral carbon. If with chiral carbons are attached, then two more isomers are formed, but this is a different case. This is not applicable here. So I hope you overall understand this question. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.